17 July marks the International Criminal Justice Day as a solemn occasion to reflect upon the pivotal role of criminal justice in fostering global justice, peace, and accountability. The International Criminal Court, established through Roman Statute, states a beacon of hope of victims of heinous crimes who have long been denied justice. The concept of international criminal justice has its roots in ancient traditions of international law. However, it is only the aftermath of the Second World War and the Nuremberg trial that need for permanent international court to prosecute individuals responsible for the most serious international crimes become apparent. The Roman Statute, adopted in 1998, established ICC as an independent permanent court with jurisdiction over genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crimes of aggression. The statute outlines the principles that guide the court's operation, including complementary and subsidiary, and the court and independence of the judges and prosecutions. The jurisdiction of ICC is limited to crimes committed by individuals who are nationals of or who have committed crimes within the state that are party to Roman statute. The court cannot initiate investigations if the authorities are unwilling and do not want ICC to participate. ICC do not participate or interfere in the local judicial system, but only acts as a last resort. Since it's established, it has done many investigations. The high-profile cases are investigated by it. Some notable cases are the trial of Thomas Lee Dulu of war crimes committed by Democratic Republic of Congo, the Convention of Ahmad ul-Faq al-Mahdi for destruction of cultural heritage, Timbuktu, Mali, the ongoing trial of John Colley, the leader of Lord's Resistance Army. These cases have set important precedents in international criminal law, clarifying the definition of crime and establishing the accountability of the individuals for their actions. While ICC has made significant progress, it has also faced challenges and criticisms. Some states, including United Nations and China, have not ratified the Roman Statute, limiting the court's jurisdiction. The ICC has also been accused of bias against African countries, although it is important to note that the majority of the cases has been investigated from African state. International criminal justice plays a crucial role in deterring future international violences by holding individuals accountable for their crimes. The ICC sends a clear message: even the most powerful are not above the law. It also provides victims a voice and a sense of justice. Furthermore, international criminal justice contributes to peace and stability by breaking the circle of injustice and provides respect for law. It helps to rebuild trust between communities that have been torn apart by conflict and promotes reconciliation and healing. On International Criminal Justice Day, we celebrate the progress made in the pursuit of justice for victims of heinous crimes. The ICC remains a symbol of the hope and positivity and a positive change. Despite of challenges, it's committed to accountability, and its vital role is promoting peace and stability, making it an strong institution in the global justice systems. We as a person, International Justice Day, let us reaffirm our support to this institution so it can carry on its mission. By doing it, we stand with the victims of international crimes and uphold the rule of law, and we will make an effort to promote peace in this world, so can our coming generation will live peacefully.